Let us start with warm up. Start with neck exercise. Keep the hands at the waistline. Exhaling, bend head down, chin at the throat cavity. You can use hands to push little more. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Come to center. We will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it to right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Do it 2 more times. Inhaling right. Slowly go back. Exhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. We will do anti-clockwise. Inhaling left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relaxed. Now alternatively, forward movement, both the hands. Make sure elbows are straight. Shoulder is very close to the ear when it goes up. Similarly, anti-clockwise. Now from front, stretch both the ends, stretch up and down alternatively. Make sure elbows are straight. Stretch at both the ends. Now keep hands straight. Exhaling, bring the elbows towards the body and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock it at the front. Now keep both the hands straight, legs together. Without opening the knees, try to sit. Exhaling, come back. Normalize the hands. Now, alternatively, lift the leg and bring knee very close to the head, chest, and then send it back. Knee should come very close to the chest and go back. Now keep more than shoulder width between two legs. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Exhaling, bend the knees and try to sit as if you are sitting in a sofa. And stay there for some time. Inhaling, slowly come up. Now keep little more distance between two legs. Turn the left leg straight towards front and right leg also towards left leg. Now inhaling, take both the hands up, join both the palms at the top, Namaskar Mudra. Exhaling, slowly bend left knee, also the right knee. Entire body should come close to the floor. Right leg, right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Stay there. Once you get the balance, inhaling, bend back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from sideways down. Turn towards the other side. Right leg forward now. Left leg behind. Again, inhaling, take both the hands up. Join the palms at the top. Namaskar Mudra. Exhaling, bend both the knees. Go down. Right leg in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Stay there. Once you get the balance, inhaling, bend back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the legs. Now, keeping hands at the waistline, lift the right leg, rotate the ankle clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg, clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Sit on the asana. We will do preparation for Padmasana. Keep both the hands on the knees. Toes stretching forward. Exhaling, bend forward. And see the forehead is coming close to the knees. Hands are surpassing the toes. Those who has backache, don't bend forward in any asana. Now fold the right leg. Place the heel on the left knee. Try to push right knee towards the floor. Keep back and neck straight. Hold the right knee with both the hands. Bring it close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. See if knee is touching the floor when you are pushing back. And it is touching the chest when you bring it up. Now hold the ankle with left hand, knee with right hand. Try to move horizontally. Maximum towards right. When it go to maximum right, try to push knee a little down, heel a little up so that it will get more stretch. Now hold the toe with left hand. Try to move it horizontal, vertical alongside the left leg. Relax the leg. We'll do all this with left leg. Fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee. Try to push left knee towards the floor, keeping back and neck straight. Knee should touch the floor. Your effort should be towards that. Now hold the knee with both the hands. Bring the knee very close to the chest. Send it back to the floor. It should touch the chest and the floor in both the sides. Hold the toe with right hand. Move it vertical. Now holding the ankle with right hand, knee with left hand. Move it horizontal. Maximum towards left. Try to lift the toe with right hand. Push the knee towards the down when it goes maximum to the left. Relax the leg. We will do Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel very close to the right side of the navel. Lift the left leg and place it on top of the right leg. Heels very close to each other, very minimum gap between two heels. Knees on the floor. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Elbows very close to the body. We will normalize the breath with deep and long breathing. When you are doing deep and long breathing, your entire focus should be on the breathing. Exhale. Completely exhale. See, the root of the navel touches the backbone. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Mulban. Pulling perineal muscles is Mulban. Pull them up. Hold for some time. Release Mulban. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Release Mulban. Start exhaling. Exhale completely. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Place the root of the navel on the backbone. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Release Mulban and start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Release Mulban and repeat one more time. Relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Inhale. महामंत्र गायत्री मंत्र। ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Trikonasana part 2. Keep maximum distance more than shoulder width between two legs. Hands in 180 degrees. Turn the right leg towards right. Left hand palm looking up. Right palm looking down. Inhaling. Now exhale. Bend towards right. Right palm going towards the right feet. Left palm going up. Both the hands in 180 degrees. Both the knees straight, elbows straight. Look towards the left hand. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Straighten the right leg. Turn the left leg towards left. Right palm looking up. Left palm looking down. Inhale. Exhaling, bend towards left. Left palm going towards left feet. Right hand going up. Look towards the right hand. Both the knees and elbows should be straight. Inhaling, slowly come back. Normalize the legs and the hands. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart in V shape. Hands along with the body. First come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Place the thumbs at the root of the chest cavity. Elbows parallel to the floor. Concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Arms very close to the ears. Now inhaling, bend back at the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra between the back of the throat on the backbone. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache don't bend forward. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Completely exhale and bend forward. In the final position, see you can place the palms on the floor beside the feet. If not, try to swing and see fingers are touching the floor. Knees straight, forehead towards the knees. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the backbone. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back, look up. Left leg 90 degrees between two hands. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra behind the reproductive organs on the backbone. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. Try to place heels on the floor, head inside, chin at the throat cavity. The sciatica problem will go away. Bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification. Purified blood will go to the brain. Inhaling, come parallel to the floor, elbow straight, knee straight. First knees down on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, hands very close to the chest. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift lower abdomen a little. Elbows looking up. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart on the backbone. Inhaling, lift yourself up, elbow straight, concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of the backbone. From navel, try to bend back maximum. Knees on the floor, toes in standing position. Bend as much as possible, even if you have a backache. Exhaling, lift yourself up. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra, crown of the head. Chin at the throat cavity. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra. If you practice daily, you will not get diabetic. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees. Place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the backbone. Relax. Relax the entire body and recollect warm-ups and asanas which we have done Surya Namaskar. During Surya Namaskar, all 7 chakras get activated. Just recollect them. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Hands towards the head on the floor. Inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction as if 2 people are pulling you in opposite. In the final position, normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. All 206 bones get stretched and 72,000 nerves will also get activated. Relax. Relax over there, hands over there. Just relax elbows and the little toes. We will do Navasana. Join both the legs. Straighten the hands at toward the head. Now stretch the toes forward without bending knees, without reducing the stretch. Inhaling, lift the legs and bring towards the head. While exhaling, bend forward and see the forehead is touching the knees and hands are surpassing the toes. Roll on the backbone, gently roll on backbone, but make sure both the legs are together. Shoulders always attaching to the ears throughout the rotation. Relax in sitting position. Leg spreading posture. Little distance between two legs. Hands behind the back. Look up, close your eyes. Normalize your breath. We will do Janusirasana. Keep the left leg straight. Fold the right leg. Bring the heel very close to the Jangamul. The sole is touching the thighs. When you look at, both the legs should be 90 degrees each other. Now inhaling, take both the hands up. Stretch yourself up while inhaling. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Forehead coming towards the knees. Hands towards the feet. Hold the toes with both the hands. Once you place the forehead on the knees, try to place elbows on the floor. This is very good for nerves. The sciatica will get activated. The reproductive cells will get activated. The diabetic patients, sugar coming to the urinary will also go away. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways. Normalize the right leg. Now we will do the other side. First fold the left leg. Bring the heel very close to the Jangamul, the hip joint. Sole touching the thighs. Left leg in 90 degrees towards the right leg. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Stretch yourself up. Exhaling, bend forward. Try to hold the toes. Forehead towards the knees. Forehead should take the rest on the knees. Elbows on the floor. Try to be there. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from the sideways. Normalize the legs. And keeping hands behind the back, relax for a second. We will do Konasana. Normalize your breath. Bring both the legs together. Hands behind the back. very close to the hips. Stretch the toes forward. Inhaling, lift the central part of the body up. Even if you lift maximum, try to lift a little more. Knees straight, head can be suspended at the back. Try to place the toes on the floor. Normal breathing. Chest will expand. Oxygen retention capacity will increase. The entire respiratory system will get torn up. Exhaling. Slowly come back. Take longer time to come back. And then sit in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs towards left in one go. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Knees should be together. Elbows close to the body. Palms on the knees. Close your eyes. Neck and back straight. Since the blood circulation is at the abdomen, digestive capacity will increase. Backbone will become like a diamond. Slowly lie down on the abdomen. Sithalasana, right side, Vishram. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes. In the form of uppercase of L. Both the lung lobes on the floor. Shoulders in normal position. Entire body should stick to the asana. No air space between you and the asana. Sithalasana, right side, will normalize high blood pressure. Come on to the abdomen. We will do Shalabhasana. Chin on the floor. Bring both the hands under the thighs. Both the palms close to each other. Elbows inside the body, under the body, in fact. Inhaling, lift both the legs up without taking support from the palms. If you cannot lift, then try to take support. Otherwise, don't take support from the palms. Lift as much as possible, but make sure chin on the floor, knees straight, toes stretching. Stay there for some time. The lower back will get torn up. This problem will not happen. Exhaling, slowly bring the legs down. Sithalasana, left side, Vishrant. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of L. Both the lung lobes on the floor, shoulders in normal position. Sithalasana, left side, normalize the low blood pressure. Taking right hand under the head, come on to the backbone. We will do Padottanasana, third stage. Bring both the hands towards the head on the floor. Keeping both the legs together, stretch the toes forward. Hands also in stretching position. Inhaling, lift both legs and hands. Legs should come to 90 degrees. Hands parallel to the legs. Entire backbone on the rest. Stay there for at least 30 seconds. Make sure toes are looking at the sky. Knees straight. Check the position. Legs should be 90 degrees. Simple but very effective position. Try to stay there as much as possible. Exhaling, slowly bring the legs and hands simultaneously on the floor. Hands bring down, keep it along with the body. We will do Hasta Padottanasana. Relax, normalize the breath. Inhaling, lift the legs to 45 degrees. Hands parallel to the legs. Shoulders should be equal to the ankles. Only hips should be touching the floor. Entire body should be on the air. Lower abdomen fat will go away. Exhaling, slowly come back. Relax in Savasana. Hands along with the body. Little distance between two legs. Toes towards the floor. Hands along with the body. Palm looking up. Fingers loose but straight. Entire body should be in still. Scan the still body from right leg toe to head and head to left leg toe. Start scanning with mental eye. Scan the toes, right leg toes, the entire feet, calf muscles, knee to thigh joint, right side of the abdomen, right shoulder, right side of the head, crown of the head. Slowly move towards left, left shoulder, left hand, left side of the abdomen area, thigh joint to knees, calf muscles, left feet, left toes. Slowly scan. While inhaling, scan the lower abdomen organs. The chest area. Slowly concentrate at Ajna Chakra. Relax. Turning from right side, come to sitting position. We will do Netra Suraksha today. Eyeball movement, the eye exercise. Sit in any asana, whichever you are comfortable with. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Open both the eyes. Look up towards the Ajna Chakra. Only the eyeball should move, not the head. Look towards extreme right. Try to look towards right ear. Extreme left. Look towards left ear. Extreme right. Extreme left. Come to center. Look up towards Ajna Chakra. Look down, tip of the nose. Look up, down, look up, look down. Come to center. Now we will rotate in clockwise. Look towards extreme right. Look up. Extreme left. Down. Extreme right. Extreme up. Left. Down. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Look down. Extreme left. Up. Extreme right. Down. Extreme left. Extreme up. Right. Down. Left. Up. Extreme right. Come to center. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Now make a cup of your fingers. Close both the eyes with fingers. Light should not penetrate inside. Close it. Eyes should be open, but you should not see the light. Close with fingers. Now we will do eye exercise. Open your eyes. Close. Open. 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 Close. Close your eyes. Stay there for some time. Keeping eyes closed. Slowly take out your hands, one finger after the other. Slowly take it out and then slowly open your eyes and gently massage your eyelids. Come to Padmasana. We will do pranayama. If you cannot sit in Padmasana, sit in Sukhasana, or even you can sit in Vajrasana, whichever comfortable. Both the hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Elbows very close to the body. Wrist on the knees. We will do Abhyantar Akshepi Pranayam. Keeping both the hands in Jnana Mudra. In installments, we will be inhaling and then installments we will be exhaling. With full control, your entire concentration should be between holding the breath and inhalation. First listen to me and then you can practice. In 4 stages we will be inhaling, in 5 stages we will be exhaling. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale completely. Hold the breath inside. Apply Molban. Exhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. 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 Now exhale completely and see the root of the navel touches the backbone. Pull the navel deep inside and apply Molban. Hold for some time and then release. This is one round. Those who has asthma or high blood pressure, if they cannot hold the breath, without holding the breath, you can practice this. Let's repeat 2 more times. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale, hold for 2 seconds. Now inhale completely up to the brim. Hold the breath inside, apply Molban. Now exhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. 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 Now exhale completely. Pull the navel deep inside. See the root of the navel touches the backbone. Apply Molban. Hold for some time. Release and then repeat one more time. Once you are done, relax. Abhyantar Akshepi will help those who has breathing problem. The breathing, holding the breath, either in internal kumbhak or external kumbhak, the capacity will improve. If you practice daily, the oxygen holding capacity will improve. Relax. We will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Listen to me and then repeat. We will be inhaling in 4 count, holding the breath inside and apply Molban 8 count. Exhaling from right 8 count, holding the breath outside, apply Triban 4 count. So those who has again high blood pressure or asthma should not hold and apply bandhas, but the remaining process is same. Inhaling while counting 4, inhale. So it is 1:2:2:1. If you cannot inhale for 4 count, you can do it with 2. Holding breath and apply Triban 8 count. If you cannot do it, then reduce it. So 1:2:2:1 ratio. Inhale while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Molban, Udyanban and Jalandharban. Release bandhas. While exhaling, count 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. Release bandhas. Inhale from right nostril while counting 4. Hold the breath inside, apply Tribandh while counting 8. Release Tribandh. Exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribandh while counting 4. Release bandhas. This is one round. Repeat 2 more times. 1:2:2:1. Inhale while counting 4 from left nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribandh while counting 8. Exhale from right nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Tribandh while counting 4. Inhale from right nostril while counting 4. Apply Tribandh while counting 8. Exhale from left nostril while counting 8. Hold the breath outside while counting 4. Apply Tribandh. Release and repeat one more time. Once you are done, relax. You will get lot of control and concentration. Entire Nadi system will get activated. You will do meditation, hands in Jnana Mudra. Let's chant Om 1:1 ratio 10 times. All together. 1:1 ratio. When you are chanting O, the length of O and Ma should be equal. Om. 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 Chant internally 10 times. Concentration at Agya Chakra. Now start focusing on your breathing pattern at the tip of the nose. Just observe the breathing and then slowly move your concentration towards the thoughts. Just observe the breathing now. Slowly move towards your thoughts. Let thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe them as a spectator. Relax. We will chant Om and then Mrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this blissful atmosphere for some time. Enjoy the bliss. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Let's normalize the blood circulation at the legs since we are sitting in Padmasana. Stretch the toes forward and back 3-4 times. Right and left. Rotate clockwise 3-4 times. Anti-clockwise 3-4 times. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.